Okay, now we're going to show you how to use your propane tips with propane and oxygen. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to remove our tip shank, and you can leave your welding tip right on. You don't need it. Just remove your shank, and now we're going to screw in our 4-inch extension with our propane tip on it. And the reason for this is propane heats on the outside of the flame, and the heat migrates right down your shaft towards your gun. If the tip was way down here, your gun would heat up. This 4-inch extension allows it to keep cool down here. So we leave a 4-inch extension on for welding with propane. Just snug your tip on, and you're all set to go. Now, let's light this up. Before we get going though, you can see, I don't know how easy it's going to be to tell, but these are actually cupped inside here. That helps hold the propane flame on its surface. If you use a normal set of tips from a acetylene, the flame wants to walk away from the surface. This helps it hold right in there. So let's light it up, take a look at it. Alright, we can get it right into a neutral flame, and it allows us to adjust it. We can take, and the nice thing about, you can make the neutral flame actually be long. This is cooler operating when it's long like this. When you need a little more heat, add a little oxygen to it. Now you can go ahead and just adjust your flame up and down. Then we have a tip that's a 0.5 tip. We have a 1, 2, and a 3. And it allows you to do all your welding with that. Now, let me show you your heating tip. Okay, now we're going to grab the mini rosebud tip. It's just a heating tip for propane. Has multiple holes in it, but allows you to get a little bit broader flame and good heat off it. So let's go ahead and just screw that on. And the same thing, I'm just going to snug it. And let's go ahead and light it up. Again, a little acetylene, a little bit of oxygen. Now you can see how much broader the flame is, and you have several holes going around it with a center hole, and now you get yourself a miniature heating tip. It allows you to do all your heating. You can cool it down, add more oxygen. And now you're all set. And now you can go ahead and do all your welding, soldering, and your heating with propane and oxygen.